Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about something super important for protecting your skin: sunscreen. We all know we need it to shield ourselves from those strong sun rays. But what if you're looking for alternatives to the typical chemical sunscreens you find in stores? Well, you're in luck because nature offers some pretty cool ways to help protect your skin. Now, before we dive in, a big disclaimer. Natural alternatives generally offer less protection than broad-spectrum commercial sunscreens, especially if you're going to be in direct, intense sun for a long time. They're fantastic for everyday, casual exposure or as a complementary layer of protection. Always be smart about sun safety, seek shade, wear protective clothing, and avoid peak sun hours. So, what are we talking about? Let's start with some amazing natural oils that offer a bit of sun protection. You might be surprised. Red raspberry seed oil is often cited as having one of the highest natural SPF values, though it varies widely and isn't a substitute for lab-tested SPF. It's also packed with antioxidants, which are great for your skin. Another fantastic option is carrot seed oil. Again, it has a naturally higher SPF value than many other oils, along with being rich in vitamins. While these oils can provide some protection, think of them more as a helpful boost, not your sole defense for a beach day. Then there are physical blockers from nature. When you see mineral sunscreen, it usually refers to ingredients like zinc oxide and titanium dioxide. These are naturally occurring minerals that sit on top of your skin and literally block UV rays by reflecting them away, like tiny mirrors. They're fantastic because they start working immediately and are generally well tolerated by sensitive skin. You can find natural sunscreen products that use these minerals as their active ingredients. Beyond oils and minerals, our diet plays a surprisingly big role. Eating foods rich in antioxidants can help your skin build its own natural defenses against sun damage. Think about all those colorful fruits and vegetables, berries, tomatoes, especially cooked ones with lycopene, leafy greens, and even green tea. They won't replace sunscreen, but they offer an internal layer of protection by fighting off harmful free radicals caused by sun exposure. Finally, don't forget the original sun protection: clothing and shade. A wide-brimmed hat, long-sleeved shirts, and seeking out shady spots are some of the most effective and natural ways to protect yourself. So, while you might not find a single, natural alternative that replaces a high SPF commercial sunscreen for intense exposure, combining smart habits, antioxidant-rich foods, and looking into natural oils and mineral-based products can give you a powerful natural approach to sun protection. Stay safe out there,